Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create YouTube intro using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened the canva.com, and first of all, I'm going to go to the video section, and then I'm going to search for the YouTube intro template. Okay, and there will be a bunch of templates we can use to create the YouTube intro, and you can choose the template according to your needs. For instance, I'm just going to use this one guys. I'm going to use this simple template, and then I'm going to click on customize this template. And after that, we're going to customize the template. For instance, if you don't like the color, you can change the color. And I'm just going to change this one, this blue color. Okay, and for the second clip as well. Okay, it's going to change it like this. And for the third clip, alright. And then you can enter your logo right here according to the template. You can customize the logo. I'm just going to enter a name like this. Okay. And you can customize it as you like, guys. And then for the third clip, enter your channel's name. Okay, just like that. And you can customize the template according to your style. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create YouTube intro using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.